Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add widgets of Pinterest in your phone. Now, in order to get started, make sure that you have Pinterest installed in your phone, or even better, log in into your account. Now, launch your Pinterest app like so. Once you've made sure that this page is visible, what we need to do is in the home screen, just long press on the screen, and there at the bottom we can see widgets as the second option. Select it. Now search for Pinterest in the search bar and click on it. Now there are two ways that you can add widget. The first is displaying up to 6 pins from our home feed, and the next is displaying 1 pin from our home feed. Select any one of your preference. I'm going to select 1 pin from my home feed and click on add to desktop at the bottom and loading, and there you are. A widget has been added of Pinterest. Now you know how to add widget of Pinterest in your phone. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you still have any questions or comments regarding adding widget in your phone, do leave them in the comment section. We'll get back to you right away. Until next time, bye bye.